Why choose Tiger Mechanical for your appliance repair? First off, we offer a 3-year warranty on non-electronic parts. We also offer a 1-year warranty on our labor. And best of all, we waive the service call with any repair. And remember, when you hire a company, you're inviting them into your home, so do a little research on them. As for Tiger Mechanical, our vehicles, well, let's just say you probably have seen them. And our technicians, well-groomed professionals. And you'll also notice that we have award-winning service. So stop on by our website or give us a call. This is how. TigerMechanical.net 480-275-7872.